Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can install MongoDB. So what is a MongoDB? A MongoDB is a NoSQL database, or not only SQL database, that has a certain data structure used which is less schema strict, and it has more flexibility. So in order to install MongoDB, which is required for a project, we'll go to the Google and type MongoDB Homebrew. We'll install MongoDB with Homebrew. So if I go to MongoDB Homebrew, and if I go to the first link, install MongoDB Community Edition, or maybe the GitHub link, it shows the formulas. So if I open the GitHub in a new tab, so as you can see, it has the setup. So the first command that you need is the tab command, brew tab MongoDB brew. So if you copy this command, and then if I open up my terminal, let's say I open up a new terminal window and then paste it, this command will install a tab of MongoDB brew. And then after you press enter and run this command, then you have to install this MongoDB community. So if you copy this command then and you run brew install MongoDB community after the tab command, this will install all the MongoDB all the MongoDB tools required or necessary. For example, all the database tools are here. For example, MongoD and MongoShell, install Compass script, etc. So this will be enough, but we'll also install one more thing, which is MongoDB Compass, a graphical user interface required to interact with MongoDB. So in order to do that, after you enter these two commands one after the other, then we'll install MongoDB Compass. Now the MongoDB Compass, you can install the MongoDB Compass graphical user interface separately. So if I go to MongoDB Homebrew and if I say write MongoDB Compass Homebrew, it will give you the MongoDB Homebrew or the MongoDB Compass Homebrew formula. So if you copy this command and then paste it as the third command after the first two commands, this will install MongoDB Compass for you to interact with the MongoDB database. Now how does or what does MongoDB Compass look like? It looks like something like this. So this is the graphical user interface, and this is how you connect to the database, or I think I haven't connected it. So if I connect the MongoDB Compass like sudo MongoDB and give the port and the DB path, which is my DB path, and connect to the database, now I can connect to the MongoDB database. So this is how MongoDB database looks like. So there are no records right now. So this is how you can install MongoDB Compass to interact with MongoDB graphical user to interact with MongoDB data. So how can you check whether MongoDB is installed in your machine or not? So if I open up a new window, terminal window, and if I run MongoDB or MongoD version, this command, this will give you the MongoDB version. I have this version 6.0.6 installed in my machine. You can also run which MongoD to get the binary path, which is this one, this binary path. I can also run brew list to check whether MongoDB is installed in my machine. So I have all the MongoDB. I have multiple versions of MongoDB as well. I have the MongoShell. All the required database tools are included here. So let me clear this one out. So these are some of the aspects that I wanted to highlight in this video, how you can install and set up MongoDB in your local machine. So thank you for watching.